Thing is definitely extraterrestrial, not found on this Earth. Friction with the Earth's atmosphere usually tears holes in a meteorite. This thing is smooth and you can see its cylindrical shape.
Something's happening.
Welcome back. So right when everything was shutting down last year, I got a 3D printer to play with. Figured it'd be a good time to learn how to do it since I couldn't leave the house for a while. Today I thought we'd print something out together and paint it. I'm a big fan of Studio Ghibli movies and I found some designs by Patrick on Thingiverse. Link to his page will be in the description down below. So let's get going. Alright, here it is. As you probably saw in the video, I did have stringing issues on the supports. Luckily it was only the supports and the final print turned out really good. And while it's really not that big of an issue, if any of you know how I could reduce that, that'd be great. It would certainly make cleanup a lot easier. Speaking of, let's go do that. It's getting pretty dark outside, so I'm gonna run out and spray paint this. Apologies if the video doesn't turn out great, but we'll come back in and finish painting it by hand. I couldn't see very well out there, but it turned out pretty good. So for the base coat, I'm going to do this medium flesh tone. I'm going to hit the entire thing with this. For the longer fur, I use a flat brown from Vallejo. It helps to have reference images with this. Sign took several coats of red, and then I drew on the letters with a Sharpie. It might look better if you paint it, but I don't really have the steady hand for that. Again, reference images help. Then you'll want to do a wash over just the brown. I made the mistake of doing the wash on the orange too and had to repaint a lot of that. I got one more print for you. And here they are. Not really sure where to go from here. I guess I can make a diorama with them or something, but that might be a little overkill. If you have any other suggestions about what I should print, let me know. I was thinking maybe I should do a Majora's Mask video or maybe a Pokemon one. Not sure. So yeah, that's it from me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.